How are you?
I'm fine.
Everything is good.
I'm fine.
Yeah. Introduce yourself.
Okay, guys.
Yes.
Okay, welcome back. My YouTube, Mayugno.
Yes. Mayugno YouTube channel.
Hey.
Yes. So, too much problem.
Yeah. So, comment.
Yes.
Like
and
subscribe channel.
Subscribe. Jaribu, si ndio? Mambo umechemka.
Kuanzisha video.
Now you know to start the video. But he is doing content of shower.
No. Shall delete.
Oh, now you have deleted.
Yes,
since you get married. Ulivyoingia kwa ndoa.
Stop scrolling. This app is everything.
Sorry,
is blowing up. It's
guys.
like TikTok, but made just for kids.
Oh, now you have deleted.
Yes,
since you get married. Ulivyoingia kwa ndoa. How was the experience to do that? Ulikuwa una feel aje kipindi unafanya hiyo kitu?
Hello guys. Good morning guys. Okay. Welcome back my YouTube channel Bago Names Omar Chacha. I'm from Africa, Kenya, Nyabohans. Yeah guys. Yeah. So guys, thank you Mayugno again. Thank you Mayugno. Yeah. Thank you kwa support. How are you? How are you?
I'm very good. How are you doing?
I'm fine, bro.
You see you own a GoPro, man.
Yeah. I'm fine, bro.
You're fine. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just here. Maybe I say hi to your fans. Hello, good people. This is It's_Kimune. That's my YouTube channel's name. I think it's not the first time you are seeing me in Omar Chacha's YouTube channel. He's a neighbor and a friend also. Actually, I'm just here. You can see how the weather is. It looks like it's wanna rain. You can show them the clouds, mawingu. You can see how it's
Yeah.
So it's like it's wanna rain. I'm just looking at this garden. This is my farm actually.
Oh.
Yeah. I'm just looking at it on how I should plan to plant. Yeah, this time round I didn't use the plow. I had to give labor to people to dig with the djembe.
Very good.
Because it's small and they also have some trees that they didn't want to be messed up.
Wow.
So that's my home.
Yeah.
That's where I come from, for those who are new. And I'm here. I was just looking by the environment, and this is my neighbor David Jr.'s apartment. So your neighbors here. Actually, I had no place to go today. I just had to be around after the shamba work, so I'm here. And for those who your subscribers, thank you for supporting our brother Omar Chacha.
Okay.
I'm very happy for you, and I think everything will be okay. And as per now, for those into my YouTube channel, maybe can I share over my phone so that your subscribers can see? Nionyeshe kwa simu.
Yeah.
Let me just share. I'm a content creator also. I do content creation, live in the village as usual, and bila shaka wenye watataka kuniona Omar Chacha, you can show them my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel name.
Wow, very good.
Kimune Morris. Yeah, I'm at 1.24k subscribers, and I'm looking for more subscribers. Kindly check me in, check out my videos, share, like, and comment. Also give a positive advice on how to grow our channel, because we are young content creators and we are looking forward into growing further and further. And because of you people who are watching It's Omar Chacha, through you we will go through. And I wish you all the best. Omar Chacha, thank you so much for hosting me. God bless you.
Welcome. Okay. So guys, support. Yeah guys. So hapa ndo nataka kuna Mayugno.
Yeah.
Alinipa Charlotte hapo ndo nataka nimshukuru.
Oh. Yeah. Omar Chacha actually he's saying he's giving thanks to It's Mayugno Rindima to the sehemu because of the support he gave him. He gave him a shout out, and he has received more subscribers from Brother Mayugno. He's saying thank you so much for your support, and thank you so much for supporting Brother Mayugno. He's very much happy and humble for you. Thank you for showing him love.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So, bye-bye.
Asante sana.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay. So, guys, thank you kwa shout out. Yeah. guys, so welcome. Guys. Guys. Thank you kwa support. Thank you kwa support. Yeah, guys. Wow. Guys. So, okay, Mayugno. Thank you. Yeah, kwa shout out. Yeah, so guys, I don't know English, yeah, Kiswahili. So sema natamani kufahamu English sana. Yeah, ila namshukuru kidogo English mos English mos. Mayugno. So video nimeifanya saa ngapi? Sasa hivi saa 12 hivi. Yeah, saa 12 dakika 13. Yeah. Jioni hivi. Yeah. So guys, please support me guys. Yeah, support me guys. Yeah. Tamani kupata support. Is it English? Most. Yeah. Hindi do. Wow. Yeah. Very good. Nice. Mayugno. Thank you guys. Thank you kwa kunipa support, kunipa shout out. Yeah, thank you. Yeah guys. So shamba boy la eze maitro. Yeah. Shamba boy la eze. Yeah. Wow, very good. Guys. Guys. Thank you. Yeah. Woo. So guys, sauti inatoka mara napunguza. Yeah. Mtanisamehe sana. Yeah. GoPro ilianguka chini. Yeah. Yeah guys. Guy. Mchanga waku wa kujengea nyumba. Mchanga wa kujengea nyumba. Yeah. Ota. Wow. Ota. Wow. Very good. Wow. Guys. So guys, sasa hivi natafuta ochi nao. Yeah guys, ilivyo nilifuta hizi video za kuoga. Imagine ndo niko ninakaribia kufikisha 4,000. Yeah, ndo ngazifuta ndo waga. Ochina nao wote waka shuka. Yeah. So guys, watu wangu nawapenda sana. I love you more. Watu wangu wa YouTuber. Thank you kwa kuni. Yeah. Wow, aimizi mahindi. Yeah, wow. Guys. So guys, please watch my move. My move. Yeah. Guy. Mambo. Kopo. Unakuja kuoga? Safi sana. So guys. Baridi. Wow, hizi mua. Ya, ndio unaanza kuota. Ya. Sukari ngulu. Ya guys. So guys, ngoja niwaonyeshe Subcram. Sasa hivi ninao ngapi? 1245. Yeah. So guys, naomba mnipambanie. Naomba Yeah guys. Natafuta msaada, natafuta sponsor. Yeah. Sponsor. Yeah guys. Oh my God. Ota. Guys. Wow. Oh my God. Azi daraja. Yeah. Ota. Guys. Oh my God. Yeah. Welcome Nyabohanse Village. Maitsuba. Yeah. Guy. Wow. Kama vile moto. Ndio jua ndo linaingia. Ndio linaenda, sio kama lina ingia. Yeah. Guy. Ngoja tupite hapa. Ngoja nionyeshe kwa Mayuguno. Mahindi na maharage. Yeah. Guys. Yeah, guys. Wow. Kwa Mayuguno. Yeah. Wow. Sasa hivi hayuko. Sasa hivi kweli hayuko. Ameshaenda misi. Ngoja tupite hapa. Kwani hawa walilima hata na njia? Hiyo ni noma. Guys. Hapo nyumba yake hiyo. Hapo. Yeah. Kwanko mo. Yeah. Kwa Bushman. Yeah, guys. Guys. Zikamela very good, zikamela very good, zikamela vizuri sana. Welcome kwa Nasto my YouTube village. Yeah. Guys. So guys, very good. Yeah. Easy. Wow. Ndio nataka kuchome matafari. Wazumu kutoka Bongo. Mura.
Si ukiwa juu. Otemorenge hansi uma.
Okay guys, so welcome home. Yeah. Home. Ndio haka. Yeah. Hapa nimepatiwa msaada. Pa kuishi. Yeah. Natamani sana. Yeah. So Zilagode. Hapa nyumba. Yeah. Videos tomorrow. Video nyingine itakuja kesho. Kwa ajili yako. So guys, thank you kwa kulike, kwa comment, kwa kusubscribe channel, kwa kushare, kwa kuenjoy video, kwa kuwatch. So I videos I finish. So guys, msichoke kunipambania. Guys. So videos I finish.